In this video, we've highlighted the 5 best circular saws on AliExpress that stand out in the market for their exceptional quality. I carefully selected this list based on factors like popularity, performance, affordability, durability, user feedback, and more. For additional details about these products, please check the description section below. And don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated with our future reviews. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Brushless Circular Saw 125mm Cordless Electric Saw. Introducing the Brushless Circular Saw 125mm Cordless Electric Saw, the ultimate tool for precision and efficiency in woodworking. This powerful handheld machine is compatible with Makita batteries, offering cordless convenience and enhanced mobility. Designed for cutting wood with accuracy, it features an adjustable cutting depth for versatile applications, whether you're crafting furniture, tackling home improvement projects, or engaging in professional carpentry. Equipped with a high-performance brushless motor, it ensures smooth operation, extended lifespan, and reduced maintenance compared to traditional motors. Its ergonomic design minimizes hand fatigue, making it ideal for prolonged use. Compact yet robust, this saw combines power, durability, and portability to meet all your woodworking needs. Perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Number 2. 5000R/minimum 7-inch Cordless Yellow Circular Saw. Upgrade your cutting game with the 5000R/minimum 7-inch Cordless Yellow Circular Saw. Engineered with a robust brushless motor, this tool delivers a high-speed rotation of 5000 RPM for precise, efficient cuts. Designed for versatility, its multi-angle cutting feature makes it perfect for a variety of projects, from woodworking to home renovations. Compatible with 20 volts DeWalt batteries, this cordless circular saw ensures long-lasting power and portability. The ergonomic design and lightweight build offer maximum comfort and ease of use, even during extended operations. Built for durability and reliability, it's a must-have for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Experience smooth, effortless cutting with this essential tool. Number 3. 3-inch Mini Angle Grinder. Elevate your DIY and professional projects with the 3-inch Mini Cordless Angle Grinder, a versatile and compact power tool designed for precision cutting and grinding. Engineered to fit seamlessly with Makita/DeWalt 20 volts batteries, this portable grinder offers unmatched convenience and compatibility. Its high-performance motor ensures fast and efficient operation, making it perfect for handling a wide range of materials, including metal, wood, and plastic. The ergonomic, lightweight design minimizes fatigue, while the robust construction ensures durability for long-term use. Whether you're cutting pipes, smoothing edges, or tackling intricate projects, this tool delivers precision and reliability. Experience the freedom of cordless functionality and get the job done faster, cleaner, and more efficiently. Number 4. 7-inch Brushless Electric Circular Saw. Unleash efficiency with the 7-inch Brushless Electric Circular Saw, the ultimate woodworking companion. This cordless high-power cutting machine is designed for precision and durability, perfect for tackling wood, board, and other materials with ease. Powered by a robust brushless motor, it delivers smoother, quieter operation and extended tool life. Its compatibility with Makita 18 volts batteries ensures long-lasting performance, while the ergonomic design reduces fatigue during prolonged use. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this circular saw promises clean, efficient cuts for all your woodworking projects. Upgrade your toolkit with this versatile and reliable power tool today. Ideal for both professionals and hobbyists looking for powerful and portable solutions. Number 5. 7 1/4-inch Cordless Circular Saw. Introducing the 7 1/4-inch Cordless Circular Saw, designed for Makita 18 volts batteries, featuring an advanced external rotor motor for exceptional power and efficiency. This versatile tool is equipped with a 40-tooth carbide-tipped blade, ensuring precision and durability for cutting through wood and stone with ease. Its lightweight, ergonomic design enhances portability, making it perfect for professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts alike. The cordless feature allows unrestricted movement, ideal for on-site or workshop projects. Whether tackling large construction tasks or fine carpentry, this saw delivers clean, smooth cuts every time. Elevate your toolkit with this reliable and powerful circular saw, built for accuracy and performance. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.